The first question is to calculate the efficiency of packing in case of a metal crystal for simple cubic. So the answer is for simple cubic, the atoms are located only on the corners of the cube. Okay. Thus, the side of the cube A and the radius of each particle R are related as A is equal to 2R. So you can easily visualize it seeing this diagram of a cube. Suppose we consider this side ED. Okay, ED has side length of E, and we consider atoms present at the points E and D respectively. So we can see this circle, dotted circle, and this dotted circle. So as you can see, they touch each other at the center of ED. So what is the radius? This is the half of the side length, which is A by 2. So what is the volume of the cubic unit cell? In the terms of A, it is A cube, and in the terms of R, it is 2R whole cube is equal to 8R cube. Volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi R cube. So this is the formula for packing efficiency. Volume of one atom divided by volume of cubic unit cell into 100. So 4 by 3 pi R cube by 8 R cube. There will be no pi here, it is a printing mistake, into 100, which gives us pi by 6 into 100. Okay, so this is the packing efficiency for simple cubic, which is nearly equal to 52.4%. So if you're preparing for a competitive exam, I advise you to learn this value. So for simple cubic, packing efficiency is 52.4%. Now calculate the efficiency of packing in case of a metal crystal for body-centered cubic. Now for body-centered cubic, atoms at all corners and at body center. Okay. Clearly, the atom at the center will be in touch with the other two atoms diagonally arranged. So you can see these three atoms are aligned. This is the center, this is the one diagonal, and this is the other diagonal. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can easily calculate what is the radius of a sphere in terms of the side length A. Okay. So B is equal to root 2A, and C is equal to root 3A. The length of the body triangle is equal to 4R. Okay. So we get this relation. I would advise you to remember this um, relation between A and R for body-centered cubic. So A is equal to 4R by root 3. The volume of a cube is, in the terms of A and R, are given as follows, where we see the total number of atoms is 2. So packing efficiency is equal to volume of one atom divided by volume of cubic unit cell. So putting the values, you get 68%. Memorize it, it will be helpful for competitive exams. And third part is we have to calculate the efficiency of packing in case of face-centered cubic. So we know that we have a total of 4 efficient atoms present, 3 in the center of the face and 1 when we add all the atoms present at the corners of the cube. The radius and edge length of the sphere can be related by the following relation. So again, using Pythagoras theorem, this is one point A, this is B, and this is the face centered. So by using Pythagoras, we can easily calculate R is equal to A by 2 root 2. Then the above relation can be found out by equating diagonal of one face to 4R, 2R from the atom at face center, and R from each atom at a corner. The packing efficiency becomes, so this is the formula: volume occupied by atoms divided by total volume of unit cell into 100 gives us the packing efficiency of a crystal structure. So putting the values, we get 70.